Now, usually when you think about a Mercedes-Benz sedan, you think about either the C-Class, the E-Class, or of course the S-Class. But there's actually another sedan member of the family, which is this, the A-Class. But this is not just any other A-Class. This is an updated version. This is the A180 AMG line. This being the AMG line, Benz decided to give it more features to make it just stand out that little bit more. Here you get a new diamond pattern grille, new high-performance LED headlights, and down here, large air intakes with 2 splitters that actually work. They're not just here for show. The interior of the A180 AMG line has also been updated. It now features Artico leather Dynamica microfiber sport seats with contrasting red stitches, a new touchpad, a 3-spoke multifunction sports steering wheel, a 7-inch instrument cluster that's digital, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen media display unit with MBUX. It also has Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Over at the side of the A180 AMG line, it gets new 18-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke light alloy wheels. Over here at the rear, you get this AMG rear apron that has these chrome accents and visible tailpipes. Not to mention, of course, the LED taillights. Under the hood of the A180 AMG line is a 1.3-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine that puts out about 136 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. Torque is rated at 200 Nm at 1,460 to 4,000 RPM. This engine is then paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This should be more than enough to get you around. So if you're in the market for a luxurious and sort of sporty sedan, this may be the one for you. The A-Class A180 AMG line retails for 3,090,000 Philippine pesos. Should you get one? Well, that's entirely up to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan. Paalam! Hello everyone, Pablo here of YugaAuto. Now if you want to know more about the car you just watched, please scan the QR code over here. And also please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Once again, thank you for watching. Paalam! Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Help me find 3,090,000 pesos so I can buy this car.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Help me find the money so I can buy this car.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with it right now.
Great.